We're over in another cute neighborhood with sidewalks, College Station.
Yes, great location off 231, not far from a Publix. Anything you need, really, it's perfectly located. Let's show them.
All right. This open concept floor plan has extra details, like a tray ceiling in the living room, and it flows seamlessly into the dining area that has plenty of natural light. One,
2,
3,
4 bedrooms. You've got a beautiful main bedroom separated from the additional bedrooms. Let's check out the ensuite. Plenty of space in here, nice water closet, your dual sinks, everything you need, ladies. Britt, it's a great big backyard for the family.
and it's fenced in.
Yeah. So for more information, look in that description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one. Love this open concept.
Whomever, that sounds terrible. So you've got a great main, you've got a, what? Answers every time.
College Plantation is the
Nope.
kind with, what, no?